Hey everyone, welcome back to Wraith Academy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychology with a topic that's sure to grab your attention: how to make anyone obsessed with you using 12 psychological tricks. Now, before we get started, remember that these tips should be used ethically and responsibly. Let's get into it. Trick number 1, the power of eye contact. Prolonged eye contact can create a deep connection and make the other person feel more attracted to you. It's all about making them feel seen and understood. When you maintain eye contact, it shows confidence and interest, which can be very appealing. But remember, there's a fine line between engaging and staring, so keep it natural. Trick number 2, mirroring. Subtly mimic the other person's body language, gestures, and speech patterns. This creates a sense of familiarity and comfort, making them feel more connected to you. For example, if they lean forward, you lean forward. If they use certain phrases, try incorporating them into your conversation. This technique, known as the chameleon effect, helps build rapport and trust. Trick number 3, compliments. Genuine compliments can go a long way. Make sure they're specific and heartfelt, as this shows that you're paying attention and appreciate them. Instead of saying, "You look nice," try, "That color really brings out your eyes." Specific compliments feel more sincere and impactful. Trick number 4, scarcity. People value what they perceive as scarce. By being a little less available, you can increase their interest and desire to spend time with you. This doesn't mean playing hard to get, but rather having your own life and interests. When you're not always available, it makes your time together more special. Trick number 5, shared secrets. Sharing personal stories or secrets can create a bond and make the other person feel special and trusted. This doesn't mean revealing your deepest secrets right away, but sharing something personal can make them feel closer to you. It creates a sense of intimacy and exclusivity. Trick number 6, positive reinforcement. Reward behaviors you like with positive feedback. This encourages them to repeat those behaviors and associate you with positive feelings. For example, if they do something kind, acknowledge it with a smile or a thank you. Positive reinforcement can strengthen your connection. Trick number 7, mystery. Keep a little mystery about yourself. Don't reveal everything at once. This keeps them intrigued and wanting to know more. Share enough to be interesting, but hold back some details to keep them curious. Mystery can be very alluring. Trick number 8, touch. Light, appropriate touches can create a sense of closeness and intimacy. Just be sure to respect personal boundaries. A gentle touch on the arm or a pat on the back can convey warmth and connection. Physical touch can be a powerful way to build rapport. Trick number 09, humor. Make them laugh. Humor is a great way to build a connection and make someone feel good around you. Sharing a laugh can break the ice and create a positive association. Just be sure your humor is appropriate and considerate. Trick number 10, active listening. Show genuine interest in what they have to say. Nod, ask questions, and remember details from your conversations. Active listening shows that you value their thoughts and opinions, which can make them feel appreciated and understood. Trick number 11, confidence. Confidence is attractive. Believe in yourself and your worth, and others will too. Confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. When you exude confidence, it can be very appealing to others. Trick number 12, be yourself. Authenticity is key. People are drawn to those who are genuine and true to themselves. Pretending to be someone you're not can be exhausting and ultimately unsustainable. Embrace your true self and let your unique qualities shine. So there you have it, 12 psychological tricks to make anyone obsessed with you. Remember, these tips should be used to build genuine connections and manipulate others. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wraith Academy for more fascinating insights into the world of psychology. Thanks for watching.